everyone, I'm Sophie, and today I'm going to do part 2 of following only the voiceover of a tutorial. So I had Maggie pick a second tutorial for me to do because the James Charles one, I felt like it was too easy. Like, even though I didn't have that many instructions, I could still follow that tutorial because it was easy everyday glam. So I asked her to pick a tutorial that's harder. I haven't seen it, I only have the audio on my computer, but I do see that the title says Jeffree Star, so I already know that it's Jeffree Star, but I have no clue what the look looks like. So, let's jump into it.
Let's get started. So as you can see, I've already done my foundation, contour, and powder highlight. So if you want to see how I do that, go back through my channel and find the official Jeffree Star face routine video.
Okay, so he's already done foundation, contour, and powder highlight, so I will just do that and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I got foundation, contour, and highlight on. Now, let's see what Jeffree has to say.
Alright, now, to get this crazy neon smokiness, I'm going to use the lightest shade from the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Palette. I'm going to be using this guy today. And I'm just going to take my MAC 252, as always, my go-to, and we're going to take that white color, coat the entire bristles, and then, you guys know what I love to do, take that highlight right under the brow, and just start blending down.
Okay, so he just put like a white eyeshadow all over his face. I used to have, not all over his face, all over his eyes. I used to have the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Palette. I don't anymore, but I know the color he's using is like a bright white, and I have the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, which has this bright white in it, so I'm gonna take that and put it all over my lid. He has no eyebrows, so I'm guessing we're not doing eyebrows today, but I know just by the way he explained it, he like took the white color like way past his eye because his face tattoo is like over here and he was talking about his face tattoo. So I'm just gonna take it up to my eyebrow because obviously it would look strange if I went over my eyebrow.
Start putting some neon colors on. I'm gonna go to one of my go-to favorites. It's that Urban Decay Electric palette. I love this one. So, I'm gonna make a little cut crease type of moment with my eyes, and I'm gonna be using the OCC Cosmetics color pencil in shade Anime. This is what I used for my pink brows in a few of my last videos. So, with this, I'm actually gonna sketch out my lid of where I'm gonna now draw it on. So, this is like an old school trick I used to do back in the day. So I'm basically just sketching out where I'm gonna draw. And I like to bring the pencil all the way down in my waterline and bring it a little outside the line.
Okay, this is, things are getting complicated now. So, from what I've gathered, he's taking a pink pencil and sketching a cut crease. I have no clue what he meant when he said he went into the waterline, like if he took it down into his waterline, or I have no clue. But I'm going to take the pink shade from the Blood Sugar palette and sketch a line. I don't have a pencil to do that, so I'm just gonna take like a tiny brush and try my best. I'm like really tempted to connect this outer part with my outer corner since he said he brought it into his waterline, but I think I'm just gonna leave it here for now because honestly I have no clue what he did.
Now I'm gonna take this Chanel eyeshadow blender. See how it's like really domey? I'm gonna take some pink eyeshadow from this palette. We're gonna do shade Savage, which is this pink eye right here, and I'm just gonna coat the entire brush like so. Hide by fallout. We're actually going to take this brush and go over that line that I created, and this is where you're going to buff it out and blend. So, of course, that line was definitely not perfect. It was just more so to be a guide, just guide me through this, girl.
So now he's taking a pink eyeshadow, and I'm just going to use the same one, and he's blending the line, and he's only blending up. So he's making a cut crease, I guess, without concealer. And he brings it down his nose, and I know that he does that because his face is like not real, you know? He's got so many features that like I don't have. Like his eyebrow sockets go in more and whatever. I don't know if I can take it down the nose because of where I drew my line, but I'll see what I can do. Alright, so this is what I've come up with so far. Let's continue.
I'm gonna take the shadow brush and dab it on my lid so it kind of creates that like halo, half C type of moment.
Okay. So he took the shadow brush, no clue what that looks like, and he patted the pink on his lid in a half C motion. I have no clue what that means. And he said it's the base. But like we just spent so much time making this like a cut crease, so why would we bring the same shade down to our lid? I guess I'll pat it like here. I hope. Okay, and then he said he took the same fluffy brush from before and he blended the edges, so I'm guessing it's these edges. Oh, and he didn't put any product on it. Alright, let's hope I'm on the right track.
Alright, now we're gonna go in with this orange color. It's called Slow Burn High. Then we're just gonna go in the middle. Now, you don't have to necessarily do this perfect. There's no like way to put on the orange. I'm just kind of blending it in with the pink and dragging up on like the outside. So notice how the orange will not go in. It's just gonna go on the outsides. I want to give it some dimension and give my eye some depth. So I'm just gonna put that orange almost over the pink, and it kind of creates a custom color, and then drag it out even more. Since we have no brows, we can do whatever we want and just bring it all the way out. Love it.
Okay, so I think I'm following what he's doing. Now he's taking an orange color and putting it basically where he put the pink. I think he went like a little bit more in than with the pink, and he's like blowing it out even more. So I gotta find an orange. So I'm gonna dip into the Morphe 35B and take this orange shade and do what he told me to. Okay, there's the orange shade. Let's continue.
So it's kind of have like a little sunset ombre moment.
Sunset
and then
ombre.
If you want, you can go back in with your first blending brush. Open up that Kat Von D and take that light color one more time. I just put a little bit on the brush, and then we're gonna go over that one more time and make sure it looks like everything is airbrushed. Now before.
Okay, he's taking the white shade, and I have no clue where he's blending. I'm gonna blend like the outer corners, because I feel like he's talking about blending a lot, and so yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Before I do all that smoky drama underneath my eyes, I am gonna do a little wing, and I'm gonna be using the Kat Von D liquid liner in Trooper.
Okay, he's doing a winged liner now. Alright, so those are my wings. I'm sorry if they're not perfectly even. I'm still practicing on winged liner. But, you know, they look cute. So, let's move on.
Yes, eyeliner. Let's get to smoking at the bottom, and I don't mean crack cocaine. I grabbed my trusty MAC Smolder pencil, and I'm just gonna slowly drag it in the waterline.
Okay, I'm not sure if MAC Smolder is black or brown, but I'm gonna go with black. because I feel like that's dramatic and he's talking about being dramatic. Okay, so he's taking like a pencil brush, which I don't have one. Oh wait, no, I do. Okay, this is kind of like a pencil brush. It's just like a really small smudger brush. And he's taking a purple color, which I used to have the electric palette, so I'm kind of familiar with what the colors look like. And I'm gonna take the purple from the Jeffree Star palette, and he's smudging the black really close to his waterline, but he also said that he drug it down. So I'm just gonna kind of keep it like a medium smudge.
514, it's like a little detail brush, and I'm gonna dip it into that purple, but I'm also gonna take the next one called Jilted right here, and I'm just gonna dab that on top of it, so when I buff this out, it kind of gives it a little more depth, a little more like, ooh, hi. And I'm just gonna take it right over the purple and just slowly drag it across.
Alright, so he's taking a detail brush, which I have a lip brush that I will now use as a detail brush, and he's taking the purple color and some color called Jolted, and I really don't remember what that looks like, so I'm just gonna take a darker purple color, because I feel like there were two purples in that palette. And then he's basically going over the same area.
A little high fashion couture, if you will. Now I'm just going back in one more time with the Kat Von D Trooper liner, and I'm just kind of merging my corners of my eyes together just so they look cohesive and like they're all one unit. Just tiny little details that I like to do.
Alright, he took the eyeliner, which I lost. Here it is. And he connected the corner to his lower lash line, I'm pretty sure. I hope. That's what I'm gonna do.
I'm gonna take that Urban Decay Jilted shade one more time with this Morphe brush and just really smoke it out so it's like, whoo, Lord. Now, what?
He took the Jolted shade again and smoked something out, but I have no clue what he did, and I feel like my look is pretty smoked out, so I'm gonna skip it. I'm sorry if that's cheating.
What is left with this eye? Besides lashes, I think we are good. I was gonna add some silver, but I like the way that light shade is still on my lid. I didn't really put another color there, and I like that. So I'm actually gonna go back in with that light shade right here, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of it in here. So it's like extra, woo, hi.
Okay, so he went back in with the white shade and he's filling in the empty space, I'm pretty sure. I really hope I'm somewhere close. I feel like I've followed it to the best of my ability.
I'm gonna go in with my Benefit Roller Lash. I still can't get over this. I love it.
He's doing mascara now, so I'm gonna use the CoverGirl Clump Crusher because I do not have Benefit Roller Lash, and he said he did top and bottom. Okay, got a little bit of mascara on the white part right here, but I don't know how to fix that, so please forgive me. And I'm guessing lashes come next.
Well, let's put on our lashes. Now I want real big drama for these lashes today, so I'm gonna be using that New Bouncem Russian Black. These are so dramatic.
Alright, he's putting on lashes now like I expected, so I will do that as well. Okay, so I messed up. I thought maybe I should use black eyelash glue and not the clear kind like I usually do. And then my eyelash band touched my eyelid. And so now I have black eyelash glue all over my eyelid. Are you kidding me? So I'm gonna try and fix it. That's as good as I can fix it without taking the whole thing off, so I'm sorry if it looks bad.
Alright, the eyes are officially done. I'm like, ooh, hi, drama. Now, to finish off this look, you guys know I need a little bit of highlight. And today I'm going to be trying out this new Tom Ford Soleil Contour Compact. I love how big this packaging is. It reminds me of my highlighter. This one's almost bigger, I think. And I love this. It comes with a highlight, a blush, and a bronzer. And they're upraised, which is cool, so it's easy to get the product, you know, in and out. And I'm going to use a little NARS Kabuki brush and try a little bit of blush today. I love how floral and pretty this looks. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of color to my cheeks. I know I normally stay away from blush, but I feel like with this look, a little bit will look really pretty. So nothing too crazy, just a little bit of color. And then a little bit on this side. Alright, now this does have a highlighter in it. We can take my favorite Morphe 510 brush and try this highlight. Ooh, wow, it's a little powdery. And I'm just gonna put it above blush and contour, kind of merge them. Okay, this is soft and pretty. You guys can see it. It's definitely not as intense as I would normally go, but it's pretty. So let's try a little subtlety today. The eyes are already like stealing the show, so let's see what happens here. Now I'm gonna be using a new Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lip today. This is shade Ashton. Ooh, I love this. Ooh, okay. I'm already obsessed. With a really neon eye, I think brown nude is...
That is exactly what I was waiting for. I was trying to figure out what color it was. He said brown nude. Now comes the hard part because I have a million of those. I feel like it's between these two shades. This one's more of a nude. This one's darker brown. I'm gonna take a chance and go with the darker brown since he said brown nude. Okay, I just have to say this lipstick smells terrible. It's so chemically. I thought his lipsticks were supposed to smell like root beer, and the only one that does is Mannequin. But the other two smell so chemically, it's insane. It smells terrible and it makes you think you're tasting like plastic or something. Like, it's gone away now, but I still feel like I taste it in my mouth. Anyways, that's just my small review on these lipsticks. They are comfortable. They're like a really comfortable formula, but it's just the smell that I can't get over.
The lip is dry. I love this color. It's really like, it's a warm tone nude. It works really well with this look. Some setting spray, and I'm going to use my little Makeup Forever Mist and Fix and just have a little moment. Alright, let me throw this hair down and this look is complete.
Alright, so we're done. Now I will search up the video and see if I'm close. But first, here's just what I have, just so everybody can see. This is what I came up with, and this eye's a little messed up, remember, because of the lash glue situation, but we'll see how I did. He definitely smoked out his lower lash line more than I did. His wings are bigger, his eyelashes are bigger, and he drew on brows, which never came up in the tutorial. At one point he said, we have no brows, so that's not fair. I didn't get to draw my brows on because he didn't tell me. I think I went real good with the lip color. I think I'm matching with him. I think our eyeshadow looks the same. It's just his eyeballs are more sunken in, and so this color isn't as dramatic. It's more tucked away in his crease. So I think with the face shape that I have and the eyeball sockets that I have, I think I did pretty good, I will say. I'm not mad at it. I would say it's not my favorite look. I don't like the lipstick with this eyeshadow, and I feel like the eyeshadow needs something more, like maybe darker in the outer corner or like something in the lid besides the white, but I'm pretty proud of me looking somewhat like Jeffree Star. I mean, like even like 1%. That's it for me, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!